प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर वे गुप्ता, कार्डियोलॉजी, दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल से। आज तारीख है 8 जुलाई 2025। एक पेशेंट हैं जिनकी कार्डियोमायोपैथी है। कार्डियोमायोपैथी मतलब हार्ट की पंपिंग काफ़ी कमज़ोर है और इसको हम लोग ने अभी एक AICD डिवाइस होती है, ऑटोमेटिक इम्प्लांटेबल कार्डियक डिफिब्रिलेटर, वो अभी लगाया है। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली a device for the prevention of sudden cardiac death. How? Because it's like a DC shock machine which is deployed just below the clavicle in the space modified, and then the patient has got this device like a policeman. Patient who was having severe LV dysfunction especially because of heart attack, and these patients are having high risk of sudden cardiac arrest and death while sleeping, while walking, while moving, because the heart fibrillates, heart एकदम फड़फड़ाता है और रुक जाता है। Medicines don't work at this point of time. If the patient is in the hospital, then we can of course do a DC shock, but mostly the patients are not in the hospital. So AICD is a device which is deployed with a lead in the right ventricle, and it will keep on sensing, checking. When the heart has got a high rate, then it will give a shock and the heart rate will be converted to normal. This is a beautiful device to prevent sudden death, and many times such patients who are having low ejection fraction are not getting the benefit because of various reasons. यानी कि सबसे अंडर यूटिलाइज्ड डिवाइस है। अभी हमने दिखाते हैं कि दिस इज बीइंग डन लाइक ए पेसमेकर। वी आर नाउ स्टिचिंग व्हाट वी ऑलरेडी बीन डन, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर द it's like a surgical technique, but actually it is not surgical, because we are not opening the chest, we are just taking a small nick, and you can see that we are now almost at the finishing stage. That means the device has been deployed with a sheath inside, or lead, not lead inside, and that lead will now be useful. You can see it. Floor दिखाना बेटा। फ्लोर दिखाना भाई। I will go toward the fluoroscopic machine to show how it has been done. दिखाओ बेटा। Yes, this is actually the AICD lead which is inside, and this will be there for the life. AICD should be done almost all patients who have got severe LV dysfunction, especially ischemic. Dr. Vé Gupta from Apollo on 8 July 2025.